7 of our favorite keto-friendly comfort food recipes. We all crave comfort food regardless of our diet. However, some of the most well-loved comfort foods, pizza, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, have one thing in common: carbs. So if you're eating keto, what exactly are your options? Don't worry. You still have plenty of cozy meals to choose from. Here are 7 of our favorites. 1. Easy Keto Chili. Bacon adds fatty richness and smoky flavor to this keto-friendly chili. And topping bowls with shredded cheese, sour cream, or pickled jalapenos still keeps things low-carb. 2. Easy Buffalo Chicken Dip. Warm, gooey buffalo chicken dip is just about as crowd-pleasing as you can get. Serve it with celery sticks, carrot sticks, or red pepper slices to keep it low-carb. 3. Slow cooker brisket and onions. This old-fashioned pot roast is best made a day ahead of time. Let it chill overnight, scrape away the hardened fat with a spoon, then reheat it gently in a covered dish in the oven. 4. Spicy ground pork and zucchini stir-fry. This simple stir-fry is most definitely better and quicker than takeout. To keep it low-carb, serve it over cauliflower rice. 5. Roast chicken. A roast chicken just might be the og of comfort food. And it's definitely low-carb. To make it a meal, toss a sheet pan of vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, or even green beans, in the oven to roast while the chicken cooks. 6. Garlic butter steak bites. It's hard to go wrong with bite-sized pieces of tender New York strip steak dripping in garlic butter sauce. In fact, you may find yourself eating them straight out of the skillet. 7. Instant pot buffalo chicken. With just 3 ingredients: chicken, hot sauce, and butter, this recipe is an easy low-carb choice. Spoon it into lettuce cups and crumble blue cheese on top for a handheld meal, or serve it over zucchini noodles.